I have an advertising agency, and about 6 years ago, ad agencies in Spokane were losing all of our large accounts to national agencies. And I had programmers on staff, and I really wanted to keep them on staff. So we started programming for kiosks. And I happened to go to a conference where I sat next to the curator of the orangs for the San Diego Zoo. She said, "Can you create a kiosk that can withstand the strength of an orangutan?" Well, orangutans are 70 times stronger than humans. And I said, sure. And then we were hired to do it. They're cement trees that we designed. You wouldn't see it from the visitor's point of view, but behind the cement trees in the different areas, there are actually interactive exhibits for the orangs where they play memory games and they get treats. We built that, and I fell in love with exhibits. We found huge opportunity in the science and children's museum world, where we've created this custom line of exhibits that are modular, that are less expensive, and they're easy to change out on these modular walls, so that the science centers and the children's museums do not need to put millions into changing their floor. So it's kind of a long, funny story, but that's how I got here.
You know, you get to go up there, you get to spin it, you get to do something with it, and something happens when you do it. And then maybe, hopefully, they'll say, why did that happen? And then from there, they learn something. So
it isn't just something that's just, oh, that's cool, that's fun, but we want them to think about what they're doing. The more time they spend there, the more likely they are to actually learn something, and the multi-outcome keeps them there longer, because there's different things that occur. And we actually have had some of our science centers take away the stools because the kids won't get up from our exhibits. So that's just, to me, that's proof that it's worthy of children and their time, so I love it.
We've taken them to schools, and we've had 3-4 deep kids trying to get to the exhibits. We've had people having to drag their children out, screaming and crying because they didn't get to shoot their air rocket off. So there's big, the kids really like them. And I know I would like them if I was, that age again.
With Flexhibit, you bring a cart into a school, you bring a cart into a classroom, and now we can actually test circuitry. We can test the buildings to see if they withstand that earthquake. It's brilliant because it's context-based learning, where you're bringing technological innovation into the classroom and helping kids be team-based problem solvers and make a difference. That's awesome.
We're in the Mead School District with the STEM cart. We're not anywhere else in Spokane, but we are everywhere from Malaysia to, we have an order going to Ireland, to Dublin, their very first science center in Ireland. We're really growing. We're in a lot of different places.
The more you engage the learner, the more you transfer the ownership of their learning, the more you're creating learners that as they grow, they're going to be engaged. They're going to be problem solvers. They're going to learn the soft skills. They're going to be critical thinkers. They're going to be creative. They're going to work well on a team. I think by putting them in the driver's seat of inquiry, you're helping them accelerate their own education. They're not waiting for somebody to tell them what to do.
I love what I do. I do it because I have a lot of passion for children, and I've loved watching marketing work for other people, and now it's working for us. We've got the right niche, the right product. Then at the end of the day, we're doing it in a category that supports children and learning. I'm all over that. I love it.